You're welcome back once again on my channel. So today we'll be learning how to cut a cow back neckline for the back. So as you can see here, this is the pattern. I've already drafted out my basic bodice. So this is my basic bodice. So this is the dart, and this is my neckline. Okay. So the neckline I use. So this is my basic bodice. All right. So after drafting your basic bodice, so here the neckline I used, the width of the neckline I used 5 inches because I want it to be a little bit wide. So I used 5 inches neck width. So here I have 2 inches for the neck depth. All right, so this is my shoulder slant. I'll go ahead and cut this shoulder slant. So I'll be cutting it out like this. All right, so after cutting out this my shoulder slant now, so the next thing I'll do right now, this dart, because we don't really need this dart on this dress, so I'll go ahead and connect this my dart straight to the shoulder line. Okay, so I'll do it this way. So I'll connect. All right, so this is what I have here now. After connecting it this way now, I'll go ahead and cut it out for us to form our cow. This is for the back bodies. Actually, we are working on the back cow neckline. Okay, so I'll go ahead right now and cut it out. So I'll first of all cut my neckline. Yeah, after cutting it now, so the next thing I'll do right now is to go ahead and I'll go ahead and bring a different paper so that we'll open it up for us to form our cow for the back. Okay. Okay guys, so now I've bring out another pattern paper. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and spread. I'll be spreading it like this. So I'll go ahead right now and spread it. Okay, there are so many ways you can also get your volume, your cow neck. So it's not necessary, it's not a must is this method. There are other way method. There are some you can open up this side, so after we should go ahead and slash it open. So but here I'll be using this, so that's why I use this dark line. So the next thing I'll do right now is to go ahead and open it up to how I want the cow neck, how low I want it, or how full the volume I want the cow to open. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open it right now. Make sure these 2 points are together. So I'll be opening it this way. So depending on how full you want it, that will determine here. If you want, you can open more. So depending on your choice. So I want it to be more fuller. So I'll go ahead and open it like this. So here, I'll open it this way. So I think I'm okay with this. All right. So I'll go ahead right now and pin them down. Or you can, if you have tape, you can use your tape to pin it down so it will lie straight. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm done opening up. You can see right now I've slashed it to the volume I want, to the amount of volume I want. Okay, I've opened it up. So the next thing I'll do right now is to determine how low I want it, like how low I want the back to be. All right, remember here I used 2 inches for the neckline, so I'll go ahead and extend. I'll come down a bit. All right, so 2 inches I'll be coming down. Okay, let's assume I'll add extra 4 to 5 inches. Okay, so because I want it to be that low. All right, so from here now you can see, so here is my 2 inches. So you can come down by, let's say, 4 inches or 5 inches. So let me use like 4 inch. So this is my 4 inches. All right, so what I will do next, I'll go ahead and connect it. Okay, I'll connect it from this neckline here. You see, from this shoulder line. On our shoulder line, I'll go ahead and connect it this way. So that will be my new line, my my new neckline. So from here now, we are going to connect it this way, right? We are going to connect it like this. Okay, so after connecting it, you can see I've connected a new neckline. So I'll go ahead and trace all this. I will trace my pattern. So I'll be cutting and facing. I'll be using facing for it. So you can go ahead and extend your facing, or you can cut, after which when you are transferring on your fabric, you go ahead and extend your facing. Okay, so what I will do right now is to trace. I'm going to trace all this. I'm going to trace my pattern. Right, so I'll be tracing it this. Okay, so now, so after tracing it, I'll go ahead and cut this part. So remember, they will be facing here. So after cutting, I'm going to fold this fabric before I will cut the facing, because I want the facing to go deeper, to come like maybe in the middle of the armhole. So that is what I'll do. So let's go ahead and cut it out. So I'll go ahead and cut my pattern out right now. Okay guys, so I've cut this place out. So the next thing I'll do right now is to determine my facing, because I want to cut the facing together. Like I said, I want the facing to drop more, to be somewhere at the armhole. Maybe I'll use like 6 inches or so. So I'll go ahead and, or you can fold it, so that you go ahead and fold it before you determine where, because I want it to end. I want the facing to enter in the armhole. So right now I'll go ahead and fold it out. I'll be folding it this way. Okay. So I'll be folding it to determine where I want my facing to be. But you can as well mark it straight. But because I want a facing that can enter into the armhole, you can measure it. Alright. So this is what I have here now. Okay, so right now I can see now, like I've done folding it and I've determined where I want it. So I'll use about 7 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark out my, so this 7 inches I'm marking out is for the facing. Okay, so I folded it to make sure where I, because I want the facing to fall into the armhole. Okay, so that is why I folded to make sure. So after which I'll go ahead and connect it. So this line here is for the facing. So this line I'm drawing is for the facing. Okay, so extend it. But don't cut before you cut. You have to make, fold it. If not, you are going to cut. When you cut, you'll be shortage of this fabric here. So after marking out the lines, the next thing I'll do is to go ahead and fold it. Okay, so that I'll be able to cut out. So now that I've folded it this way, okay, so I'll go ahead and cut. So remember, so I'll cut this way. So this is for the shoulders. This is for my shoulder. Okay, so I'll cut like so. All right. So you can see my facing line now. You can see. So this line is for my facing. I want the facing to enter into the armhole. Okay. So you see. If like I've cut the way I extended this facing line, if like I've cut like this, you'll find out that you'll be shorted. Have you seen? So it will not reach to the shoulder. So that is why it's necessary for you to fold before you cut. Okay, so you can see my facing now. Like I said, I want it to enter into the armhole. Okay, so you can see it has entered into the armhole. So the next thing I will do right now is to shape it. So I'm going to shape it this way. So this is it. So this is my new pattern now. Go ahead and remove this one. Okay, you can level it so that you don't forget. So here is the shoulder, so you won't get confused. So you can level the shoulder. So the armhole, and this is the neck. So this place is the back, is my back. Okay guys, so now like I said, I'll go ahead and remove my pins. So this is our new pattern. So I'll set this aside. So this is the new pattern now. This is my facing. So this is my facing, okay. So remember, we're going to transfer this. When we are transferring, we'll be folding our fabric, put our fabric on fold before we can transfer this. Okay, so let me bring my fabric right now. So I'll transfer this on my fabric for us to see how it looks like. Okay, so when we are about to transfer it on our fabric, we place our fabric on fold. So this is the back. This is for the folded part. This is the back. Okay, the folded part. Here we fold, here we'll be cutting here on fold, and you are going to place our fabric in a bias form for the drape to have more volume and more effect. Okay, so okay, I've placed my fabric on fold right now. As you can see, it's in a bias form. I folded in a bias form. So this is the back, the folded end, the place I said will be folding. So here is the folded part. This place is the fold. It will be on fold. Okay, remember, this is our facing. This is our facing, right? So this is our facing here. So this is what we have. You can see this is the shoulder, the armhole. So this is the folded part. So I'll go ahead and open it up. The folded part will go back. So this top here is for the facing. Okay, so the next thing I will do right now, I will pin them up. After pinning, then I'll go ahead and cut it. All right, so so I will go ahead right now and cut it out. Okay. I'm done cutting it out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and remove the pins so that we'll see how it looks like. Mhm. So remember, this is our facing. So this part is our facing. Here is the damper. This is our armhole. Okay, so it have to be. So it will be this way. So this is how it looks like. Okay, at this side. So it will be like this. So the facing will go in. So this will be the armhole. So this is our cowl. So don't worry about the damper. You can see it has straightened. It's no more looking hot. So this is how it looks like. Here will be the facing. So this is our shoulder. This is our shoulder. This is our armhole. Okay. So this is it. So this is our cow, back cow neck, guys. As you can see how beautiful it is. So the next thing I will go ahead and join it to our, we'll join it to your front. Remember, we use the neckline, you use the same neckline for the front. You use 5-inch neckline, neck width. Okay, so you can choose any front neckline of your choice. All right, so this is what you have here, guys. You can see how it's looking. All right, so this is how to draft or cut your cowl neckline. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. So what I'll do right now, go ahead and cut the front. You use any front and design of your choice. So after which I'll go ahead and when I finish up the dress, I'll make a video and show us how it looks like. Okay, so the best kind, whatever is left, is for you to join the down part if you are making any down part of your choice, and as well as the front, our normal way of sewing. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Bye.